Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm just making a fun little video on how to get Charlie to notice you. Charlie. First of all, most important step probably is subscribe to him. Just like subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to him. Favorite, thumbs up, 5 stars, all of his videos. Also leave nice comments and funny video responses. The more you leave, the more he probably reads some of them. So, email him a ton. Well, I heard he gets a bunch of emails. He probably does anyway, because famous YouTuber. And so leave him a bunch, because the more you leave, the bigger chance he's going to email you back and notice you. And you're going to want to make a video kind of for him and his fans, kind of, collaboration thing. Um, he'll label it something with Charlie is so cool, and he probably looks himself up just to make sure, this is him, and, I don't know, but then he might scroll down and he might see the video, so, I don't know. Like his Facebook, follow him on Twitter, and etc. Anything he's on, just, follow him, like it, whatever. I would say that's about it, but I think I don't know, but leave a comment or video response on what you thought of the video, and I cannot keep looking at the camera. It is so funny. I keep looking down. But anyway, just leave a video response, and thanks for watching so much. If you haven't seen Charlie is So Cool, please check him out, because he's, the best YouTuber ever. I swear. He's better than everyone put together. Seriously, he's the best ever in the world. Hope he makes more videos. And Charlie, you're watching this, please leave comment or video response below. And to everyone, subscribe, please. Bye guys. See you next